siguro po nabanggit yung tune-up games and all na lagi po kayong mabagal or mostly mabagal nagsisimula.
Yeah.
Why do you think that's the case po for so long with UP in terms of starting not so strong and now it's a different story?
Well, let's just say na we didn't have the best practice last night, and I hope that that's not the reason why, you know. But again, every practice, every game is a new day, you know, as we always say. And kay Coach Gold kasi ang importante how the players would respond, you know, even if it was just a so-so practice last night. So the players responded, and yung start namin was sort of like a testament to that. And then they were able to weather the storm. So ang laking bagay nung depensa namin, and at the same time, you know, yung nabanggit ni Harold, yung composure namin. So laging in-emphasize si Coach Gold na, you know, kahit gaano ka-physical ng laban and you're not getting the calls, just continue to play on and maintain your composure. And yun ang pinakita especially nung last 5 sa loob ng fourth quarter.